We'll take question number 7. If cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, evaluate first one, one plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Second one, cot square theta. Second one, cot square theta. Solution. Given cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Let us consider triangle ABC in which angle B is equal to 90 degree. Go systematically, you will not face any difficulty in trigonometry. Always one right triangle should be there with you. ABC. Cot theta is given as 7 by 8. Cot theta is adjacent side upon opposite side. If I take theta here, then adjacent side will become AB. So it will be 7K. Opposite side will become BC. So it will be 8K. Okay. Using Pythagoras theorem,
using AC equal to AB square plus BC square under root.
that is 7K whole square plus 8K whole square. (49K square plus 64K square). How much you will get? 113. Very good. Should get 113 k square. Then what is AC? 113 is not a perfect square. So we'll get k under root 113. Now I have to write for sin theta. Now sin theta is, for theta we are having opposite side BC. BC upon AC, that is equal to 8k upon k into under root 113. K will cancel, you will have 8 upon under root 113. Cos theta also. Adjacent side is 7k. Then what is cos theta? Adjacent side upon hypotenuse, that is AB upon AC, equal to 7k upon k into root 113. So k and k will again cancel, you will have 7 upon 113 under root. Now you take first one. We have to show, we have to evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta over 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay. Now you have to go on putting sin theta and cos theta values here. So 1 plus sin theta is 8 by under root 113 into the bracket 1 minus sin theta, again 8 by under root 113 whole divided by 1 plus 7 by under root 113 into 1 minus 7 by under root 113. By substituting cos theta value, we get like this. You make use of identity a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. Right here, using a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. You get 1 square minus 8 by 113 whole square divided by 1 square minus 7 by 113 under root whole square. One minus 64 upon 113 divided by 1 minus 49 by 113. Taking LCM, you will get 113 minus 64 divided by 113 whole divided by 113 minus 49 divided by 113. This is numerator bracket, this is denominator bracket. 113 minus 64 is how much? You should get 49 only. Very good. By 113 divided by 64 by 113. Fraction by fraction is there. That means numerator fraction into reciprocal of denominator fraction. So 113 and 113 will cancel. Ultimately we will get what? We get 49 by 64. 49 by 64. So this is the simplified value of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus sin theta, given cot theta equal to 7 by 8. Okay. Such problems you will find in future exercise also, but there you will be using trigonometric identities. When you start using trigonometric identities, the solution will become still simpler. The solution will become still simpler. Okay. Now also you will understand. When we write the result for the second part, you will understand solution is very, very simple, right? So second one, cot square theta we have to evaluate. Cot square theta we have to evaluate. Cot square theta means what? It is cot theta into cot theta. Just like x square, y square. X square means what? X into x. Y square means y into y. Like that, cot theta into cot theta. Given cot theta is what? 7 by 8. So 7 by 8 into 7 by 8. Okay. Here I have to write, since cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. 49 by 64. This is the result.